there's a lot of people that are interested in optical system design. And there are not a lot of people that call themselves optical engineers, right? There's a handful of, say, college programs that you can go to that are formal, right? University of Rochester, Arizona State, Rose-Hulman, right? I think UCF down in Florida. So, there's a couple of schools that have these very, very good programs. But I know a lot of people who are in the optical space that just kind of fell into it, right? I kind of fell into it, to be honest. It was never on my radar. I'm a mechanical engineer. And I just happened to, in the early part of my career, work in aerospace and defense and kind of sit next to all the Zemax users. So, you learn that multi-physics sort of dependency, right, between the chip, the lens, and the system. So I think that if you are interested to learn more and you're on your way into college, you could look at those programs. If you're interested to learn more, you're looking for resources. Obviously, there's a whole host of resources around using these tools, whether it's the help files or tutorials. But as far as like simple packaging goes, this is my go-to, the field guide on optomechanical analysis. And like, there's a couple of, these are just classic design examples, right, of how to secure lenses, how to design something that is, going to withstand manufacturing tolerances and potentially structural thermal considerations. And these are just guidelines, right? So this is a great starting point, right? So, clean room classification, right? So these are just simple guidelines. It's a great resource. I know it's paper. Some people like the digital, so I'm sure there's a PDF somewhere out there, but I think there's a lot of resources available. And I'll say this, it's a really tight-knit community, which is awesome. I recently got a chance to spend a couple of days with the Zemax, product team and the tech support team, and the whole optical team at ANSYS. And it was such a great experience to just learn from each other. It feels to me like the early days of FEA, when we were doing some really, really innovative stuff. It really wasn't, sort of democratized yet. And so I kind of feel like we're right there with optics. We're really on the tipping point of kind of democratizing some of the knowledge, which is super exciting.